Hi, good morning. In our last video, we announced that we are moving to Germany in a few months, and we obviously have a lot to do to get ready for the move. We got to get things organized, got to figure out what we're bringing, what we're leaving here, and then most importantly, we have to make sure that the dogs have everything that they need in order to get there without any issues. So luckily in Germany, it's pretty easy to get dogs into the country. There's no required quarantine time like a lot of countries do have. So all we need to do is make sure, hey buddy. So all we have to do is make sure that they're up to date on their rabies vaccinations and other vaccinations. Rabies is the most important. They want that to be really current. And then I'm also gonna get them up to date on bordetella just in case during the move we encounter any other dogs. And so that's all we're gonna have to do now. We'll get them their regular exam. And then obviously as we get closer, within 10 days of the flight, they will have to get a health certificate from the vet that shows that they are okay to fly. And then from there, it's pretty easy. Once we get to Germany, there's gonna be some other things we need to do. I still have a lot of research to do, but I'm pretty sure that we have to have liability insurance for each dog. That's really important there. So that'll be another video once I get more information. But today we are going to the vet, so come along with us. I'll try to film as much as I can. With COVID, we're still not allowed into the vet, but I'll show you what I can, and maybe I can get the girls there to get some pictures or something for you guys. But anyway, thanks for watching. So we gotta get dressed for the vet. Can't go naked. So I got the dog spy collars here, and the little human put phone stickers on them, so that doesn't make any sense at all. But these collars are really cool. I have some information about them on my Instagram, but they're actually GPS tracking collars, so it has an app, and it'll show you where they are. They never got out, but they don't want them. All checked in, so now we just sit and wait, and they will come and get these guys. They get really excited when they're here because they see people and dogs, so luckily they like going to the vet. So we use the same vet that our wonderful animal control people use. We have a really good shelter here. It's a no-kill shelter, and they do a really good job of placing pups into homes. So really proud of them. Oh my gosh, you guys.
Hello. Are you guys still excited? The stage will be in Rabies. Okay. Never mind. Here, sweet girl. You want to check it out?
For those of you that don't know a lot about our history, I just want to say that we absolutely love Shirts Animal Hospital. We've had such a great relationship with them since we moved to this area. They are the ones that saved Mila a couple years ago when she almost died from that mulch incident. That's a whole other story I can tell you guys. And they are also the ones, this is Dr. Porter here in this video, she's the one that discovered Ava's liver issue, which would still have been a mystery, and Ava would have been getting sicker and sicker had she not looked into that for us. So we love Shirts Animal Hospital, highly recommend them. Everybody on the staff is so awesome.